Hello, in this video I will show you how to create a new plugin for Digital Auto platform. In the version 3 we provide a mechanism that you can create your own plugin to perform your own function on the prototype. For example, right here we can create a new model and then I can call it a demo Replit. We start a new models, and in this model I want to have my own function. By default, the application provides you the 4 tabs for information, customer journey, activity codes, and dashboard. But beyond that, I want to provide the user, they want to develop their own extension to provide their own function. They can click and select the exit one, or they can develop their own. And to develop your own plugin, you can go to Replit and you can start to make your own application here. Use AI and prompting to create a new website, web app without any knowledge about or without any complex process about development. Just click here and click import or create a new design. And here you can click on GitHub. And it's asking for a GitHub repo. You can go to our page and you can copy the link here. In the link, just paste it here, and then you can start a new project. It will take a while for creating, importing, and build, and after maybe a few 30 seconds, you will get a project like this. And when you have a project like this, you can go to preview, and in the preview it will show you the user interface that you have the model name and the prototype name. It's a mockup. First, let's do the integration. This UI with the playground. First, click on this and you can enter plugin and index.js. This is the URL we're gonna have. It reflect to the file we're gonna have like this. Plugin and index. It is the link we're gonna use to add to our playground. Open this in Chrome and you can see this is the link. Copy this one, go back to the plugin, then you can click plugin and then you add a new plugin. I will name it, put the URL here, and I will name it my plugin like this. You can upload the logo here, save, and you have the new plugin, my plugin, and the plugin is linked to the Replit application, the one we are building right now. Then we go back to the model we are working on. You can click here and you can pick the my plugin. You can leave the name my plugin, or you can let it the name my Replit. Add to tab. And after you add, you have a new function here, and the new function is provided by the application in Replit. We can go back here and we can tell Replit to do something more. For example, I will tell Replit to change color of label to that and value to dark blue. Let's say this one dark gray and dark blue, and then it will change the content. It could take a few seconds for Replit to doing the update. Then it will load the page. You can see that the value is blue, a little blue, and then when you go back to the playground, you will load it. You can see it changing. Okay, now you know how to link the Replit application you have with the playground as a plugin, and the next step we can do some kind of modification. For example, I want to show the prototype code is a new block in our page. You block, something like this. I want to show the code block here so that I can see what is the application, the code we have right now. It will take maybe 1 minute for Replit to implement and deploy. You can see that Replit is mentioned that it is editing the page and it add the new code block section. Now it rebuild the whole page after edit the code. Now you can see that we have the name, we have the tag, and we have the model name, we have the prototype name, and we have the prototype code. If we go back to our playground and we perform a reload, you can see that, you can see the code here. This is our application code. If I go back here and I change the content of the code like this, just a simple one, then I go back. Maybe I need to perform a reload. It remember the last one. Then you can see that the new code is changing. So the code the data we have in the prototype on the code tab, it will also reflect on the plugin, and based on that you can perform other action like generate test case, draw the diagram or something like that. You can do whatever you want with the new page defined by you here. Now this is the idea how can you build your own, define your own user interface and do your own function.